In this video, we'll show you how to replace the inner tie rod on your Subaru Impreza. This is located in the front of the vehicle, behind the wheel, and part of the steering system. Let's get started. We can go ahead and remove the lug nuts with a 19mm. We can go ahead and break our jam nut free with a 19mm. We'll go ahead and remove the cotter pin for the outer tie rod. We'll want to replace this. We can remove the nut for the outer tie rod with a 19mm. We'll strike the end of the knuckle with a hammer right here to release the outer tie rod. You want to be careful not to damage your backing plate or your brake rotor. Now we can remove our outer tie rod. We want to count the number of turns as we remove this. That way we can put the new one where the old one was. 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now we can go ahead and remove the nut from the outer tie rod. I'll be using a set of pliers and a 19mm. We can remove the outer clamp from our bellows boot. And we can remove our outer bellows boot clamp from the inner tie rod. And we'll move on to the inner clamp on the bellows boot. We're just going to reach in with a long flathead. And we can put the flathead in the opening of the clamp. We'll start prying back and forth. Now we can go ahead and twist the inner bellows boot off of the inner tie rod. It's good to inspect the rack while you're in here, make sure it's not leaking. This looks good. I'm just going to wipe this area down. Get off any of the grease that has been pushed around. I've turned the steering wheel to get the steering rack in a good position where I can get a tool up to the inner tie rod. I'll be using a set of channel pliers. And there we have it. We want to inspect and clean the end of the steering rack where the inner tie rod's going to go in. I'll just be using some brake clean. We can clean out the threads with a brush. Clean out any of the debris that you just brushed off. We can wipe that down. When installing our inner tie rod, we have a washer that goes on the inside. That washer has 2 tabs that go into the 2 notches on the steering rack. Install your washer onto the inner tie rod. We can start threading it in. Make sure you line up the 2 notches. We can go ahead and tighten this back down. If you don't have an inner tie rod tool, tighten it to the best of your abilities. There's a tab that sticks up on the top and the bottom of the washer that you installed on the inside of the inner tie rod. We're just going to fold those tabs down using a hammer and a punch. Each tab doesn't need to be perfectly flat, just fold it over enough to keep it from turning off. We can go ahead and remove the nut from our inner tie rod. We're going to apply a little bit of silicone paste where the bellows boot installs. We're also going to put a little bit just on the ball joint itself. Now we can install our bellows boot. We can work the inner portion of our bellows boot on. We'll be using a couple of cable ties to secure the bellows boot on. Tighten down that cable tie and clip off the end. We can install our other cable tie on the outer portion of the bellows boot. And we'll clip off the excess. We can install our inner tie rod nut. You want to make sure you thread it on far enough that your outer tie rod can thread all the way on. Now we'll thread the outer tie rod onto the inner tie rod, making sure we count the number of turns so it's installed in the same position as the old one. Once you catch the threads, you can start counting. 1, 2, 3, and so on. We're going to apply a small amount of anti-seize where the jam nut will go. Now we can install our outer tie rod into the knuckle. Our tie rod nut has a nylon lock washer in it, so we don't need a cotter pin. We'll snug this down using upward pressure on the outer tie rod. And we can torque this to 20 foot-pounds. And we can go and tighten down our jam nut. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our wheel. If you thread the first lug nut all the way in, it'll hold the wheel for you. We'll go ahead and snug those down. Now we'll torque the wheels to 72 foot-pounds. Take the vehicle for a test drive down to your local alignment shop.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.